So I did start the process of fixing it up. I'd done a little bit of sanding. I patched some holes in the deck. Once those were patched, I left it uncovered to see, if it would leak, and evidently there's more leaking somewhere else because the whole interior of the boat was pretty wet. I've cleaned it up now, but it was pretty wet. So I found out where that leak was too. I came out here during the rain, found out where that was, and I'll show you what else I found. Yeah, this thing, it needs a lot of help. I took out the compression post because to see what kind of condition this is in. Well, this is soaking wet. Everything's rotten. This, if I push on it hard enough, this will all push up. Therefore, and none of this is solid, none of it. It's all rotted, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take it all out. All right, let's look at the lazarette, see if I can get in here. See all that? Every bit of that. All that is where somebody tried to fix the lazarette, and it's all rotted. So, all the way back to that locker right there, opening, and you can't even get to this space anyway. You can see where the water, it just accumulates back here. So it's all coming out. All the water that keeps coming in, because it's been raining the past couple of days, is coming from this. It's all this is rotting out. This is falling out already. All that's starting to rot already. So I guess I'm gonna have to take all this out. There's so much rot in this thing. I don't think it's safely going to be a sailboat, so I'm going to go a different route. And something I noticed also was this. Okay, let's get over here. So something else I noticed was somebody tried to repair the tow rail and didn't do a very good job of it, because it pours in right there. So I need to redo that. Yeah, even the even this, look, that's all rotten. There's nothing really worth keeping here. All this, no good. And here's more stuff is rotten right there. This is rotten, rotten, rotten. I don't know what they try to do here. Well, looks like I'm going to be changing plans with this thing, since everything is rotten, everything except for this. The pop top is okay. I'm going to just get rid of it completely. I'm going to take out every bit of the top here, cut out all the way up to before the hatch, cut it all out, and I'm going to make, it's just, this will never be, I would never trust this as a sailor ever again. It's just too much rot on the decks. So I'm going to take and pretty much cut the whole deck out. And looks like I'm going to make a I'm going to make a miniature trawler out of this thing. Yeah, I'm going to do it. So follow along, and that's the direction we're going in right now. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and never know what's going to happen next.